Dear student, this is one more important method which is used in the advanced treatment, or it is in the tertiary treatment, that is disinfection. This is the last method of the treatment of the wastewater by using this disinfectant chemicals or the disinfectant agents. So in these disinfections there are three methods mostly used for the disinfection purpose, that is chlorination, ozonation and the ultraviolet radiation. So what exactly in the chlorination? So chlorine may be applied in the number of forms such as the chlorine gas, sodium hypochlorite or chlorine dioxide. So these are the three forms of the chlorine or chlorine is used for the chlorination. So chlorination which can kills the unwanted things which is present in the tertiary treatment. So the Cl2 plus H2O, it forms HOCl, that is hypochlorous plus H plus Cl minus. So Cl2 plus H2O means chlorine gas is formed, and it is when Cl2 plus H2O added it forms the hypochlorous acid, and it is a strong oxidizing agent, and also the formation of the H plus Cl minus. So this chlorine disinfection works through the oxidation of cell walls leading to the cell lysis, that is bacterial, or which inactivation of the functional sites on the cell surface. So that's why disinfection means that chlorination means they acts on the cell surface of the bacteria or the cell lysis. So advantages is the low cost and the effective method of this chlorination. It is easily available in anywhere. The disadvantages of the chlorination is free and combined chlorine residue are toxic to aquatic organisms. This is very important. That's why most of the companies or the industry, they are not using this particular method. The potential of formation of organochlorinated derivative, that is the formation, and which is very again important in the way of the toxicity. So these are the two important things in the way of the disadvantages of this chlorination. Now the second part of this advanced treatment is the ozonation. So ozonation means you have to use ozone gas, or ozone gas can be used as a disinfectant even though it does not leave a residual in the way water being treated. Means to kill the bacteria by using the ozone rays or ozone gas. So this is already explained in this particular bacterial cell with the help of this particular diagram. DNA is there, cell membrane is there, cell wall is there, and the overall cover of the water molecule, that is H2O. So when it combines with ozone, bacterial cell, when it comes in contact with ozone, what will happen? That will breaks down. When ozone gas comes in contact with this particular bacterial cell, that forms the breakdown. So lysis will form, that is the bacterial cell uh, degradation, and cell lysis will form. Then the formation of H2O plus OH minus will separate. So this will takes place in the ozonation. So advantages is it is safer than the chlorination. It has a fewer disinfection byproduct, and the elimination of the odor is the most important advantage of this ozonation. And disadvantage is high cost. So as compared to the other methods, it has a high cost. Okay. Now the UV radiation. So UV radiation means ultraviolet radiation, mostly used for the drinking water as well as for the water is used mostly in the pharmaceutical or chemical industries. There they are using recycled water for their various processes. So the UV radiation, which involves passing a film of wastewater within close proximity of the UV source lamp. So this is the lamp which is provided, and water is coming, and on this water the rays is passed, and this rays, they are kills the unwanted things, or they are kills the bacteria or pathogens which is present in the water. So how they are damaging? So damaging the genetic structure of the bacteria, as well as the viruses and other pathogens. So before, if you see the before structure of the DNA, incoming UV portion, so after that when it comes in contact with the radiation, so that will breaks down this particular genetic structure. So this is the most important method, that's why it is applied in the industrial application in the industries. The advantage, no chemicals are used, high efficiency against a wide range of the microorganism, but only one disadvantage is high maintenance of the UV lamp. So this is the main important disadvantages of this UV radiation method. So I think you understood about the ozonization as well as UV radiation, chlorination and disinfection. Okay, thank you.